Erin, so we are reading on the news even today and yesterday that president's advisors are even saying, hey, if you can avoid it, don't go to the grocery store, don't go to the pharmacy. It's that
Right.
serious. If somebody has to go to the grocery store, if they have to go to the pharmacy, give us the nurse way to do it.
Okay. So we went to the grocery store yesterday, and it was kind of this. It is kind of a big deal. And if you can space out your times that you're going to the grocery store, if just go once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks, if you can make it that long, that would be ideal. First, make a list of things that you need, so that you can make sure that you're not, if you forgot something, you have to run back to the store. Just if you go ahead and make a list and prepare ahead of time, you don't have to worry about making numerous trips. That also helps you focus and kind of get in and get out of the grocery store as quickly as possible, so that you're not kind of lingering. Don't go to the grocery store just to hang out because you're bored. Those people at the store are putting themselves at risk just by working there and providing that environment for you. So kind of if you can make it as quick of a trip as possible, that's best. Only send one person into the store. So if you have your whole family, and it's hard when a single parent family is trying to do this, but if in any way, leave the kids at home or in the car, don't take them into the store. One person go into the store and get everything. When you get into the store, most stores every store that I've been to has had sanitizing wipes or a spray or something. Spray down that cart, wipe down that cart, and sanitize that. That's going to help. If the person before you wasn't taking those measures or didn't have the opportunity to do that, you can protect yourself in that way. And take hand sanitizer with you, and that kind of goes along with what we were saying with the gloves earlier. So no need to take gloves. Just take your hand sanitizer, and in between those touches that you're picking up produce or grabbing something off the shelf, go ahead and sanitize your hands so that you're slowing down or preventing that transmission. And just kind of get in and get out as quickly as you can. And the list is going to help that, but just stay focused and get the things that you need and don't loiter too much. And then kind of to wrap up that trip, sanitize your hands right before you get in the car. And then when you get home, make sure you wash your hands right away. And if you're wearing a mask, if you have worn a mask to the store, go ahead and throw that in the trash or put it directly into the laundry.
Erin, so some people are, when they're getting home, they're wiping down their groceries. Is that necessary? What is your thoughts on that?
I mean, I think that's fine. That's kind of up to the individual. I don't, if you feel like that's something that you're worried about, somebody else has touched that stuff. A lot of the things that I buy, if you get something in a cardboard container, it's not really living on that cardboard. Your produce, go ahead and wash down that produce, but by no means put bleach on your produce. Don't do that. But your normal, I think I have pretty good sanitation in general. As long as you maintain that, I think that you'll be fine. As far as, wash off any produce that you're buying, which you should be doing anyway. And those kind of practices should be sufficient.
Thanks so much for talking with us, Erin. I really do appreciate it.